How to add Widgetsmith to home screen. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn how we can add a widget from Widgetsmith to our home screen, whether it is Android or iPhone. The process is quite simple, so just make sure to stick with me till the end. The first thing that you have to do is make sure you've downloaded the Widgetsmith app on your iPhone, and then simply launch the Widgetsmith app and make sure you've configured everything. After you do that, long press on an empty space on your home screen. In the case of iPhone, you have to tap on the edit icon from the top left, then go to the option Add Widget. Now from here, you simply have to scroll down and look for the option called Widgetsmith. And then from here, you can simply choose the size of the widget that you would like to add and then simply drag it on to your home screen like this. Then tap the Done button. Now what we have to do is we have to just tap on that widget and then tap on Add the widget, and now we can simply choose what is it that we want to add, whether it is a photo collection or maybe a theme. And once you've done that, you can tap the Save button, and then the changes will take place on that particular widget on Widgetsmith. So this way you could go ahead and then basically add Widgetsmith to home screen. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.